Hi, today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make your Next Earth land visible on Opensea step by step. So how to actually make your NFT land visible on Opensea. So I'm going to share with you how you can do this. So they've just updated it that you now can list and view artwork, your NFT land on Opensea. So I'm going to share with you step by step how to do this. So you need to first go to Opensea. So opensea.io. So the first thing you need to do is go to opensea.io, and then once you're on there, go to your MetaMask wallet. Make sure you're on the Matic mainnet. So switch to that. Now the next step is to make sure you click on the correct one. So you need to click on the MetaMask tab to log in. So you make sure you're on the home page. So if you're on the home page, click on profile and it should ask you to log in. Now click on MetaMask and it should automatically log into your account. Now you'll notice with mine I've got artwork already visible, but yours might be just like this one here where it's not visible. So what you need to do is go onto it, click onto it. Once you've clicked onto it, you will need to click refresh the metadata. So this will allow your artwork to be visible. It will refresh it and now it should be visible on the OpenSea. So just click on the refresh metadata. And then once this is done, you should be queued. It should say at the bottom that you're queued. This thing will update. Check back in a minute or two. So it can take up to, so once you've done this process, it can take up to 5 to 10 minutes before it's visible. So please be patient and it should be visible just like the others that I have right here. So if you look on my profile, you will see that I have some visible artwork, some visible land NFTs already, and I can actually list it as well. So as you can see, I'm just going to refresh my page and see if it's visible yet. So it's not visible yet, but if you be patient, it should be. I'm also going to share with you how you can list and sell your land NFT on OpenSea as well. So how you can do this is you go to here, click on any of your land that you have. It tells you the location and everything like that. So what you do now is you need to click on this sell button on top right. Once you've clicked on that, it might prompt you with a few things that you have to click on, and your wallet might pop up. You just have to say confirm it. That's only the first time. Once you've done that the first time, you should be able to sell just like I'm doing right now. So what you need to do is just click on whatever sell price you want. Now this is in Ethereum, but it's going to be paid, you paid Polygon, you're using Polygon to pay for this, as I'm aware. So I'm just going to put on 0.1, how long I'm going to list it for, you can click on how long. You can do as many days as you wish. More options, we're reserved for a specific buyer, there's fees that are going to be involved, and then you just click confirm listing. Now you just need to sign a message using your wallet. A window will pop up here, you just click on sign, and then now your land art is now listed. You can share it here, you can tweet it, you can do whatever you want. And now how you can make it visible, as you can see it, it should show up right here for you. As you can see, it tells you who's listed, who's listing it, and you can check all the artwork directly on Next Earth as well. See this little symbol here? If you click on it, it'll show you the actual overall what's listed and what's for sale. So that's how easy it is. Now if you go back to your profile, we'll see if it's visible yet. So as you can see, it's still taking a while. You can always just click on it again and click on refresh metadata again if you wish. But so that's exactly how you make your NFT land art visible on Next Earth step by step, and that's how you can sell it as well and list it on OpenSea directly. So that's how you can list your land art directly on Next Earth as well, step by step. If you do have any questions at all, let me know in the description below. If you haven't signed up to Next Earth Metaverse yet, the link will be in the description as well, and also my 5% discount code if you'd like to use it. Thanks for everyone for using it, and I appreciate you watching the video, and I'll see you next time.